Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will see how to create a dynamic drop-down list in Excel and ensure it stays synchronized with our data for everyday use. In our current use case, we have a client database maintained by our sales department and a campaign management Excel sheet used by our marketing department. What we want is for the client data from the sales team to be automatically synchronized with the marketing sheet, so the marketing team can assign different campaigns to each client. First things first, we will import the client database from the sales department into a sheet named Clients from Sales. We'll use the if function in Excel. The logic here is simple. If the data is available, display it. If not, leave the cell blank. Make sure to remove the dollar signs from your formula so it can be auto-incremented correctly across cells. Once we've successfully listed all clients in our marketing sheet, the next step is to use the filter function to remove any blank entries from our imported list. This filtering allows us to prepare a clean list for the next step, creating a dynamic drop-down list. To create the drop-down, go to Data Validation, choose List as the type, and select the output of our filter function. Be sure to add the shaft symbol at the end of your formula to ensure it remains dynamic. Now, you'll see that all available clients are listed in the drop-down, and you can easily assign each client to a specific campaign. To test our setup, let's add a new client named John Doe to the sales client database. As you can see, John Doe is automatically updated in our marketing file under the imported client list. Let's go ahead and assign a new marketing campaign to John Doe. You'll find him listed in the campaign management sheet, and we can assign the campaign successfully. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. Feel free to leave your feedback in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.